My name is Madhav and today I am going to tell you about the recent acquisition in logistics sector, which was Seva Logistics recently acquired Stellar Value Chain Solutions to improve their presence in India. So before going to the actual acquisition, we are going to discuss firstly about both the companies, that are Seva Logistics, which was France-based company and the market player in worldwide, and second one was Stellar Value Chain Solution, that is Mumbai based and working very effectively in India in logistics sector. So Seva Logistics is headquartered in Marseille, France, working in freight management and contract logistics. So this company was established in 2007, which was acting as the market player in whole world. Secondly, it was giving the revenue of 16 billion US dollar, which was very high in this sector. Second one was Stellar Value Chain Solutions, which was Mumbai based company, currently working under the Seva Logistics after acquisition. Before it was working independently with Warburg Pincus, which consists of 91.6% stakes in Stellar Value Chain Solutions. In 2006, Anshuman Singh established this organization, Stellar Value Chain Solution, in which Warburg Pincus invested $125 million. Warburg Pincus is the private equity firm. So let's come to the actual acquisition. As the part of the deal, Seva acquired 8,000 employees working in the Stellar Value Chain Solutions regularly and casually, skilled and unskilled too. And Seva acquired 7.5 million square feet carpet area, which was approximately 15 million square feet area for their warehousing purpose and logistics businesses, and acquired 96% of stakes in Stellar Value Chain Solutions. It was providing 70 facilities in 21 cities in India. So after the acquisition, Seva is working as in 75 locations in 31 cities in India, which had extremely wider the scope of presence in India of Seva Logistics. Around 7.7 lakh square feet area is for the purpose of warehousing houses. So if we see, Indian logistics sector is not ranked very well on the ranking of World Bank, as it in 2018 it was ranked at 44th level, but now in 2023 it was ranked 38th in all around the world. By 2025 it was targeted that the sector will earn more than 350 lakh US dollar business in India. So Indian logistics doesn't consist of a high ranking in the world, but yes, it is the coming future of India, because it has the growth of 14% in the GDP. But the main con point in the sector was its cost is very high. It's around 10 to 14% of all around cost, which was very high, as the global average cost of logistics was around 8%. So if we see logistics businesses in India, it is going to boom in India after the G20 summit, as relationships are well maintained with overseas countries, and it will boost up the economy of India. So if you guys are interested, you can invest in logistics business. It will not only benefit you but also benefit the Indian logistics sector. Thank you and have a nice time.